Hey Crazy Cuties, welcome back. Today's video is the Bestie collab with my bestie Christine, also known as Mountain Witch Christine. I am so excited because we get to play the Beauty Creations Legend palette. This is what it looks like. This is so pretty. I love these shades. Look, oh my gosh, look at the shimmers, look at the purples, look at the reds. Oh my goodness. I love Beauty Creations. It's actually one of my favorite indie brands. One of my favorite indie brands that are affordable and so on and so forth. They are cruelty free, and this is also Latino owned and also woman owned. So that's the greatest thing about, I love getting indie brands because so much to play with, and I like the color stories because you know what, you know me, I love really good color stories. But let's get to it. Before we get started, make sure you hit the like button so I know you like this content. Also, if you want to be part of the Crazy Cuties clan, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and of course, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos that I upload. So I'm very excited to play with this palette, the Legend. I saw this palette for a very long time, and when I saw that they came out in June, I believe, for the Ice Cream Beauty box, I wanted to get that palette, so I also got a mystery box, and of course, I got good goodies, but, you know, it is what it is. So I am going to use NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I love this. Look, I do need to get a new one. But yeah, I decided, you know what, me and Christine, I love to get the same products as Christine because we can do so many things, and we have done that so many times together. And I'm just like, you know what, let's do it. Let's have fun. And I really wanted to play with this and this color story because I love purple. Purple is actually one of my favorite. Actually, purple is my favorite color. I just don't play with it a lot because I know how my brain can work. But purple is also one of my favorite colors to work with. Since I am wearing purple, and I decided, you know what, let's play with purple. I don't know if I'm going to play with purple with some red or with pinks. I don't know. You do not know how my brain is going to work. My brain can be like, oh yeah, let's do this, and I'm starting doing a different totally thing. So I am just going what I feel like doing. Okay. For funsies, I guess. I do want to do this. I'm going to go out of my comfort zone just a little bit. I'm going to go with this shade right here. These do not have names on them. Especially the bigger palettes, they don't have names for them. And sometimes they just don't have that. But we're going to put this right here on the outer V a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to push that into outer. I'm going to use this purple right here just to help blend that in a little bit. Because I'm going to blend this a little bit into that color. This is a really pretty color. I like this purple. Now, purples can be hard to create. It's like one of those things that you have to be like, I don't know, purples and pinks, because of that red tone a little bit, wherever they use as pigments, it can be a little bit hard to create. But as you can see, it's very pigmented. Not because it's like it's a white base, but it's like even without the white base, I think it'll still be pigmented. Since we don't have like a very like purplish shade, like something like this shade, but a little bit more of a like lavender shade, I am going to go with this. It has a little shimmer to it. It's like a matte shimmer type of thing. Yeah, it has a little shimmer to it. That's fine by me. Okay, that brush is dry. I'm actually going to use this pink. I do like that. So we're just going to add more of an ump to that purple at the end of the tail. Oh yeah, I like that. I already like this already. I really do like how this is coming along. I am just like, the formula of this is so... Use this shade right here that is a pink shade. And this is what it looks like. That's a pink. That's a pink. Okay. Oh yeah. Ooh, okay, okay. That is a, whoa, going with that purple. But I'm gonna use this shade right here. Okay, okay. I do like how this just came out. Now, if I really wanted to, I can go with like a, mm, mm. I'm going to use the Relove Kohl eyeliner from the Revolution pink one because these are really nice. These are creamy. I still highly recommend them. That's really pretty. It has it's like a salmon eyeliner, but I'm fine with that because it gives you a nice little dimension. Now with eyeliner, I could go easily with eyeliner. Do I want to go with eyeliner? Not really, but it's gonna be a huge but. I'm going to because you know why? It's great to get out of your comfort zone. I'm going to use my favorite mascara. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash It Loud mascara. I really love this one. This is actually one of my go-tos if I can't find one, or because most of the time when it first came out, I was and I fell in love with it and used up. It took me a year to use it, but I finally found it after maybe a year and a half. I tried different ones, and if you like the Italia mascara, which I have used and used up, this is a really great dupe. I highly recommend it. So I'll be right back with the finished look. Okay, I finished this look. I really like how it came out. The eyeliner was a hassle. I've tried to get, I have OCD, so I have to kind of match everything to symmetrical, you know, it has to be even, it has to be the same. It's hard when you have OCD, and I've tried to get it, you know, even much as I can, almost. But you know, it is what it is. Especially got the two different eye sets. You know, I'm deep. You know, eye shapes are different, so I had to put that in my own, and I had to force myself to. But I cannot wait what Christine has created with this palette. I really, really do like this palette. I cannot wait to play with this, especially like the fall and a little bit more in the summertime. I'm very excited. I'm definitely will play with this during the Christmas time. I can tell you that for a fact because of these shimmers and the glitter, you know. But other than that, I really like the formula. I just, like I said, I cannot wait to see what Christine has come up with. But yeah, make sure you check out Christine. Check out my bestie because she's an awesome person. I love her. She is like a big sister to me. And yeah, so I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.